2005 Nissan Quest starter location. We're working on the starter on this thing. It is directly down below, which you really can't see from here. So that would be on the driver's side. Come down here. Driver's side coming across. And you can see the subframe here as you look up. You can see it's right here. A shroud on here. So we'll pull that shroud off next. What we have is 10 millimeters. And you can see the one that's up here. Not very clearly. And then as we scroll underneath here, you can see that there is, up in the far corner, there's a nut right there as well on that shroud that needs to come off. Another 10 millimeter. Okay, so there's bolt 1. Bolt 2 is up in there, and you can see there's a little bracket in here. And then you can see where the starter cable is right there. It's really hard to get a socket up in there. I was worried about stripping the nut on this, so this bracket that's center of the screen, you have to kind of wiggle that around, and then what I finally wound up doing is get a ratcheting wrench that could get in there and flush on that nut. And even after that, get a feeling it was stripped earlier. I'm going to probably replace that nut head because I think it's going to look real pretty. Alright, finally got her out. There's also a connection on there, so when you're trying to pull that down, I'll show you. If you look up in here, you'll have that main power lead, but then as you come up, you also have, if I can find it again, you're going to have, it's going to be connected to this right here. I have regular Molex connection up here. First, spray that down with some cleaner, make sure we're good to go. The here's the hookup for power. That was I believe a number 12. I had a number 12 nut on mine. It was 12 millimeter. So what I did is I got that off at an angle, and then I could run that up there, knocked off the power, and then pulled the starter down and out, and then it was hung by the Molex connector line yet, so that again is up, and she's hanging up in here just underneath the subframe. A little push on that and then pull, and it did drop out pretty easy that way. And you do have to take the entire shield off. I was hoping I wouldn't have to take that entire first piece of shield off, but you do have to get it all the way out of the way so you can get in place to back the starter out of that location. Fun project.